We are group number 3. This is Zeynep, Konstantina, Angeliki and myself Surag, and we are working on the project of 24 at Soundscape. We are dividing into a presentation into 4 parts. One is city input, the second one will be the program, the third one will be the technology, and the last about the result of the project. In the city input, we will be first covering about our demographic and economic conditions in Barcelona, then the sound analysis that we did with the site and various parts of Barcelona. In the economic conditions, the technological part of Barcelona, the Barcelona stands in the 22nd state in Europe, and with around 218,000 students and 47,324 workers, Barcelona is giving a good output in science and technology. And in terms of the tourists, Barcelona is in the 4th state, and there yearly around 7 million people are coming around. And the 2 major sound festivals is happening in Barcelona is Premier Sound and Sonar, which makes a major input in the economic conditions of Barcelona. The second part is the sound, and we analyzed the various parts in Barcelona, the different sound analysis and even the sound.
As we can see, half of the city's residents are exposed to more than 65 decibels day and night. We searched for the most noise-producing activities in Barcelona and their contribution to its sound pollution. According to a survey of a municipality, we found out that music events and nightlife together consist 20% of Barcelona's noise, whereas traffic consists only the 4% of the noise. But apart from the survey, we wanted to measure ourselves some of the city's activities, and as we will see, the sound is never lower than 60 decibels. In addition to this, according to a short weather analysis that we made, we found out that wind and rain contribute to the city's noise levels with more than 50 decibels for more than 55 days per year. And about our site now, we visited the place 3 days, 3 different times, and we recorded the sound levels. Due to around littoral traffic speed and the sound and the strong winds, our sound levels are about 70 decibels.
So, in our site, in our city, we have plenty of noise to work with in our soundscape. And what is the soundscape? It is 24 open space, an interactive space, defined by the sound energy. It is about experimenting with it and also about living the sound experience. More than being a space, it is like a sound energy movement, sound as our professor suggested. And it involves really everybody, artists, scientists, students, researchers, children, and even visually and hearing impaired people. All can be both creators and participants in the sound energy event. Because really you don't have to have the ability to hear the sound in order to feel it. There are plenty of ways to make the sound energy produced in this building visual and even tangible.
Then we talk about the technology that we are using. We are trying to do some experiments of producing electricity from sound. And in terms of Viswanathan, we are looking at various materials that are available, and we are trying to link and convert how the mechanical wave can be converted to electrical wave. And in terms of materials, we looked into naturally occurring crystals, which are like frequently available, but the problem with that, they'll be having most of the crystals are soluble in water, which is not a good state of doing it. And there are like no synthetic ceramics that is available right now, which they are using it. And one of the frequently used material is like lead zinc granite titanate, which is like a recent material which gives a maximum output with sound. Zeynep is talking about the results.
Coming to the results and added value of our project, finally our goal is to produce 339 million kilowatt hours of energy, which is the average annual energy consumption of a building in a site like ours. So, what will be the results for Barcelona? Our project is, as Jeremy Rifkin says, a power plant that will work with an alternative source of energy. Actually, sound is not referred by Jeremy Rifkin to produce energy, but sound is a new innovation in energy production. Sound is a multiplier factor to this with the uniqueness of our project. Sound is something that creates empathy to the people. Due to it is not only about science, but also everyday life activities that produce sound, and most importantly, music. Coming to the added value of our project by this, it is a new humanism, it's a new proposal, and it's a new potential by energy generating. As the program's result, through the swarm intelligence, we are expecting that our power plant soundscape will work with, by creating an interaction between the visitors and participants. And of course, this will have a significant environmental effect. We are expecting that our soundscape movement will bring income to the city in many ways by contributing by tourism of excellence. To summarize, the added value of our project is to generate energy by an alternative way, which is sound, and making people aware of their potential power in this way, and make them realize that they are a new energy generators. And this can be our new proposal for the future. Thank you very much.